Words are powerful, and thanks to kinetic typography, you can combine motion graphics with text to create engaging and visually appealing video content. Today, we've created a list of our 10 best kinetic opener templates for After Effects. From short dynamic openers to bold typography intros, we've got all the bases covered. Let's dive in. Number 10. Kinetic Opener by FX Erdogan. Plus sign patterns, circles, and loops characterize this template's visual spread. With 16 different placeholders and unique transitions like multi-bar slide-ins, banner wipes, and phased reveals, this template combines kinetic typography with dynamic elements to create a trendy, fashionable look. Number 9. Intro Kinetic Typography by Air Rocket. This is one of the best uses of typography styles and fonts we've seen. The kinetic typography After Effects template shown here features a plethora of text styles, from bold and italic to elongated, overlaid, and colorful placeholders. They all mix beautifully with one another thanks to a variety of clean transitions and dynamic cuts. Number 8. Kinetic Opener by Vaclavok. Including 34 individual scenes and 18 video placeholders, our next kinetic opener template has plenty of room for both written and visual content. Popping text, dynamic camera angles, and hypnotic effects create a powerful story perfect for creating a lasting impression. Number 7. Kinetic Glitch Opener by NDAC. Want to get audiences on the edge of their seats? Number 7 is for you. It's filled with attention-grabbing effects and dynamic transitions that will have people wanting more. Add your own media to more than 15 placeholders, tweak the text and color overlays, and you have yourself a show-stopping video of epic proportions. Number 6. Short Opener Kinetic Typography Fast Intro by Creative Creed. At only 11 seconds long, this kinetic typography After Effects template packs a lot of visual power into a short time frame. It comes with 4 video placeholders in addition to several text and font slides. The combined effects of black and white scenes and kinetic typography create an energetic intro perfect for setting up your audience's mood. You can download all of these amazing templates and millions of other creative assets through Envato Elements, a digital library that provides you with anything you'll need to bring your dream project to life. From royalty-free music and motion graphics to social media templates, Envato Elements gives you the tools to streamline your workflow. Sign up today via the link in the description below. Number 5. Bold Typo Opener Stomp Kinetic Titles by North to South. For those feeling bold, this typographic opener is the way to go. It has a classic stomp-style vibe with added glitch and ripple elements for an added touch of fun. While the prevailing theme is black and white, this video also includes a few colorful accents, creating a unique contrast. It has landscape views and an Instagram Stories version, making it ideal for sharing material in numerous places. Number 4. Short Dynamic Opener Fashion Event Promo by Creative Creed. Number 4 on our list features an array of dazzling elements, from contrasting black and white text with various unique animations to animated effects and stunning background textures. It's perfect for fashion events, product launches, or any other kind of promotion deserving a powerful punch. Number 3. Dance Typography Intro by NDAC. Zoom, slide, blink, layer, and flicker with this simple yet impactful kinetic opener template. The style uses a black and white theme while highlighting certain parts with bright yellow accent elements. With various title animations, this template allows you to seamlessly integrate your taglines or keywords into your footage. Number 2. Dynamic Short Opener Fast Vlog Intro by Creative Creed. Who says black and white has to be boring? This template uses the contrast between these shades to create a visual display that you can't take your eyes off of. It uses solid and glitch transitions, cinematic titles, and obviously kinetic typography to create unique scenes that will hypnotize your audience. Number 1. Typography version 2 by NK Motion. Perfect for advertisements, promotions, and announcements. This opener knows how to grab attention. It blends a mix of expanding elements with colorful text scenes and creates a trendy atmosphere. It comes in both color and black and white versions, so you can choose the design that you like best. We've made it through our countdown of the 10 best Kinetic font opener templates on Envato Elements. What did you think of the list? Tell us in the comments. As always, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Ready to watch something else? The video to your right has been selected just for you. Check it out!